studio version for Arizona by Wunderhorse is played in standard tuning with a capo on the first fret. This song starts off with a basic E minor chord, second finger, second fret the A, and third finger, second fret of the D string. All the other strings are open. The strumming pattern is really simple. It's just down, down, up, down. 1, 2, and 4, and down, down, up, down. And that's pretty much consistent throughout the entire song. The second chord we go to is a little bit more adventurous. It's a C major 7 with a G in the bass. We have the third finger on the third fret the low E string, pinky finger on the third fret the A string, and the second finger on the second fret the D string. The G, B and high E strings are all open. Strumming is exactly the same, down, down, up, down. And this is the chord progression for most of the song. So it's E minor, down, down, up, down, up, and to the C major 7 with the G in the bass, down, down, up, down. Okay, so down, down. In the chorus we start off with the E minor chord, the same as we did in the verse, down, down, up, down, and then we're going to go to a G add 13 chord, and I generally play it like this. I've got the third finger, third fret the low E string, and the pinky finger on the third fret the B. The rest of the strings are open except for the A string, which is muted with this finger here. The strumming pattern is exactly the same, down, down, up, down. So the E minor chord, down, down, up, down, up, to the G add 13, down, down, up, down. Okay, so E minor, G add 13. If you want to jam along with Jacob's acoustic version of the song, he's playing it without a capo and in E flat standard tuning, so all of the strings are just dropped down a half step.